we have English exercise on being and being. A lot of persons don't know how to use this being and being, especially in writing. When you're speaking, it does not really matter because when I say I have been there, you have been there, she was there, they have been there. You don't really know, you can't see from my mouth particular being I'm using. It's only when you are writing that the error will show. But let's dive in. Number one here says, but before I analyze the exercise, I will give you the rules guiding them. Like I always say, I don't just tell you how to do it. I don't just tell you about it. I give you solution. Whenever you find, before you use this being, B-double-E-N, you make sure that involved, the verb involved, you have to see this has, you have to see has, have, or had before you use this being. Let me recap. You have to find has, have, and had before you use this being. Okay, let's go. My car has stolen. You already have has here, so you don't have to use this being. It's my car has been stolen. Did you get that? Has. Because of this has, I use this being, not this. Whenever you find auxiliary verbs like is, are, were, and the rest, please always use this being, being. Or you find any statement that does not relate to like has, have, or had, like which you also have in these examples, I will tell you to also use this being, not this. Number two, have you ever to Egypt? Have you ever blank to Egypt? What's the correct answer here? Have you ever been? Is that simple? Yeah. I have never been there. Not I have not been there is not correct. She hasn't blank feeling well lately. She hasn't been feeling well because of this hasn't. The children have. And there is another thing. Know that this is singular. This verb is a singular verb. Why this is a plural verb? Because we have children here, that's why we have. And because we have here or has or had, that's why it's going